Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed the first two videos. Now in this third part I am going to read the information database and create my page dynamically based on what's in the database. So let's get started. In the last video we did the insert, so when the user information is not empty, the form is not empty and it's submitted, then we actually inserted that stuff in the database. Now we will read that stuff from the database. To do that, we will first create a query, select query. I'm gonna start from here. I want to do this before the insert happens. Or you can do it after the insert happens too, but actually it doesn't really matter that much. So SQL select is going to be my variable that contains a string for the select query. And I'm going to write, if you remember, select is the statement that you use when you want to read things from the database. Select all from the fitness table. This is going to be my select query. And I'm going to create another variable called results. And this results variable is going to contain everything that is brought back from the database after running the query select query. So results will be equal connection object query and SQL select, because I'm gonna be running this query. Okay, let's actually get this to the bottom. Let's see, to here, because if something is inserted, then we'll read it right away instead of refreshing the page. If you insert something, it's gonna show up right away, because this code will be run first. If we put this here, then when you insert something, it's not going to bring it right away. You might have to refresh the page. So let's continue from there. Now the thing is, we can actually build HTML from the PHP, right? So why not we just fetch everything from the database and then just print it on the page. Let's see. So results num rows. So number of rows that are returned from the database means, if you look at it here, when we run this query, it should return 1, 2 rows, because you got 2 records in the database. That's what the num rows refer to. Okay. And while the row equals results, fetch a sock. Now I'm going to explain you what this function is. Let's see what this function does. PHP fetch a sock. Fetch a result row as an associative array. So we are fetching a row. This function fetches a row as an array, associative array, where you can use the column name, workout date, first meal, as a key to access the value of that row. Okay, you will see this in a second. Then why not we'll just print out echo, say ID, and then row ID, and now let's put a space. Then first, date, and then row, let's see, workout date, then dot some space, and then first meal, dot row first meal. And honestly, this keeps keeps going like the way until it reads everything, right? Because we selected everything, so you can actually get all these variables from the database row. So but for the sake of timing, I'm going to just show you guys how this prints out. So that if you remember, I told you, using the echo print statement, you can build your HTML site. So let's go and see what happens. ID 1, date, and then the first meal broccoli, and then we forgot to switch to the next line. So let's put a break tag here. You see now we got 2 records and they printed out, but it looks really ugly. It hurts my eyes. So let's put them in a table. Now how do we put it in a table? Then we just gotta print out a table element using the echo, right? So, but here's the thing: the table. So this is a while. This is the loop. It prints out row and then row and then another row until there are no more rows. So the table has a part where it's gonna repeat in a loop, but it also has a part where it shouldn't repeat. For example, the first table tag and the headers, right? So maybe let's print out a table first, table, okay, and then it should have one row, the first row where it's gonna have all the headers, okay, and then I'm gonna put all these headers first, th, and then th, close th. We got 2 more. I hope I don't mess this up. th, close th. Now let's see. Date. I'm not going to print the ID. Date. First meal. Second meal. Card resistance and cardio. Awesome. Now let's put these variables in there. First meal. Okay, and then the second one is going to be second meal. Resistance. Workout. Did I skip something? I skipped the date. Okay, we'll fix it. Cardio, workout, and I am going to cut this from here, put it here, and put the workout date. Awesome. Now we have a table, but we haven't closed the table yet. By the way, we need to close this row here because we're not going to be adding anything else into that row. We're going to open up new rows. We're going to have 1 row per row in the database. So let's close this row. And we're going to create those rows here. And when we're done, we're going to close the table right here. Sorry. Table. So the table tag is closed here. It opens up here. You create rows here as dynamically and inside the loop. And once that's done, we close the table here. So how do we do the rows? Now let me just delete this stuff. It's gonna get confusing. First, we need to create a row. TR, table row, and then you gotta close that row, right? So let's do that here, and we open the row, then you gotta create a table column, right? So we opened it, and then we're gonna create a table column first. Now once you have the table column, then you have to get the first thing, which is the workout, right? Workout date, and then let's close this column, right? But then we're gonna open another column, and then we're gonna get the first meal, right? Then we're gonna close this column, then open another column. This column is gonna be second meal, right? And then another column, close this column, TD, open a new column. This is a tough job to get this done without messing up anything in the first try. Resistance, workout. Now string, close the column, open new column, row, cardio, workout, and finally close the column here. Nice. Now we have the table, and we are dynamically creating table rows. Now let's run this and see how it looks. Oh, one thing I forgot, you have to close the connection after you're done with everything. So let's put it here. Let's go back. Nice, we have a table now. You see? It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. And if you guys actually want to oh, look at it. These are the headers. And then you have the rows. Right? And then for example, if you want to add some CSS to this, then why not just go and create a style here. I mean, you can actually, in the assignment, you need to create your style outside as an external sheet, so that's fine. I'm just gonna create it here to see, to just make my table look nice. I don't want people to talk about my table looking ugly. So table, trth, td, let's see, border, solid, blue, 2 pixels. Okay, and then maybe margin, it's like 10 pixels, padding, 10 pixels, and then text align, center. Maybe I want my table has round corners, border radius, let's say 10 pixels. And let's see. Nice! That's a nice looking table. And let's add something to this. Let's say 21st. He felt really bad after eating all that Big Mac and stuff, so he goes with green beans. And then second meal is gonna be like fish. And it does some weights and some jogging. Submit. And insert success, green beans, fish, weights, jogging. So thanks for watching, and you better do some good job with your assignments. I'm looking forward to seeing them. See you guys in class.